guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is brought to you by Wig Types. Thank you so much, Wig Types, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So today I do have a Cloud 9 wig. Oh look, they sent me some goodies in the box. So I'll definitely be trying out these. Thank you, Wig Types. So we do have a Cloud 9 lace wig. This is a Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber in style Chelsea, and I do have it in a 1B. This is the What Lace hairline, which is usually really, really good. It's like very pre-plucked. I haven't done a What Lace wig in a while, but I feel like every time I try them, they're really nice. So wow, this one is long, you guys. Super duper long. The waves are really, really pretty on this one. Looks like the lace color is actually pretty decent. It's a little gray, but I'll go ahead and tint the lace. Right now, to tint the lace, I've been using the Ebin lace tint spray, but I've also been using a darker foundation than my skin tone, and I feel like that's really been working well for me. So let's check out the claim to fame for this one. 13x6 parting space, which is huge. Customized hand-tied pre-plucked hairline to create a realistic and natural density. Undetectable translucent lace. We'll see about that. Well-crafted, soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for security. So let's get into it, y'all. The cap construction on this one comb on either side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Definitely a lot of parting space on this one. Let's go ahead and spray our lace tint spray, and the one that I'm using today is medium dark brown from Ebin. Looks like I'm totally running out. So I guess I'm gonna have to do medium brown, which is not what I prefer, but we'll go with it. And this is the color that it is. So very much darker than my skin tone. And I'm gonna grab my foundation brush. So you can see it's definitely darker than my skin tone. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the hairline. So yeah, it looks good. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'll come back when it's ready to put it on. This baby is flat, flat. Do you hear me? She is like flat, flat. She long, but she is so soft. This unit is so soft. Oh my gosh. I'm like instantly in love. How I take one earring out though? She is pretty. You literally can like just literally put this wig on and just go about your business. Like, she's on and looking flawless. Like, you can put this on and go on about your business. And I love me a wig like this. Put her on and go. Enough said. I don't even got the combs in. I don't have nothing going on right now. I just literally popped her on. She's fitting my head. Amazing. She's laying flat. She's looking good. I love a wig like this. Bing bong. She's ready. I'm gonna put some makeup on. I'm gonna get a little cute. I'm gonna, you know, change my shirt. Like, I just gotta do the things, and then, yeah. Do I need makeup on? Do I need makeup on? I don't know. I'm losing my color because it's winter time here, and I feel like my color is just washed, like totally washed. So I'm gonna put a little makeup on, and then I'm going to come back and give y'all my final thoughts. So I put on some makeup, got a little bit of makeup on, got my wig on. This wig is so pretty. I just love it. It's so soft. The waves are bomb. Like, the waves are definitely giving human hair water wave vibes. For sure. And the frontal is beautiful. I guess I can add a little. So yeah, this looks really, really pretty. I definitely love it. I would definitely recommend this unit. So thank you so much, Wig Types, for sending it over. If I missed anything or if you guys have more questions, I didn't talk about the density. The density is actually very natural. I like the density. It's very natural. The fit is definitely like medium head friendly. It definitely feels secure on my head and it feels like it fits me properly. And I have an average size head, so I would definitely say it's medium head friendly. What else? It's long, y'all. This is giving like 28 inches. It's definitely giving 28 inches. The luster is really pretty. It feels natural. And it's just light and bouncy hair, and I love that. And it's just mimicking human hair to me. It's definitely mimicking human hair. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to get back into reviewing synthetic wigs for you guys. If there's a wig that you want me to review, please let me know and I'll be happy to do that for you guys, because I'm really getting excited, like getting back into these units. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do one thing for me: share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.